that we get are in the form like 2x plus y equals 7. Okay? And then we make our little chart, right? We make our little chart when x is 0. Wait, oops, get excited. When x is 0, oh my gosh, I keep wanting to put the 0. When x is 0, what does y equal?
7.
7. That one we can do in our head. When x is 0, y is 7. When x is 1, we have 2 times 1 plus y equals 7. So when x is 1, y is what? 5. We have 2 times 2 plus y equals 7. So now we have 4 plus y equals 7.
3.
So when x is 2, y is 3. And I think I have about enough points to graph this. So I'm going to graph this. X is 0, so this is the point 0, comma 7. This is 1, comma 5. And then this is 2, comma 3, right? So 1, 0, 7, we've got a thing right there. And we have 1, 5, we have a thing right there. We have 2, 3, we have a dot right there. Some of you did not connect the dots. Why do we have to connect the dots?
To show that.
Ron, why do we connect the dots?
To show that they're linear. The line is linear.
To show it's linear, but that's not all of it. Casey.
To show that it goes on infinitely.
Well, I want to show every single solution. How many solutions did I figure out?
3 out of infinity.
3 out of infinity. So how many am I missing? What's infinity minus 3?
Infinity.
Infinity. I am missing infinite numbers of solutions. If I don't draw the line, I'm not representing every solution. So draw the line, and it represents. I did not take points off yesterday if you didn't draw the line, but I will start to. Just be aware of that, okay? So, because I want you to show me every solution. And there are not 3 solutions to this thing. There are infinitely many. And that point right there, I don't know what it is, but it's a solution. Don't know, something fractiony, 6 point something, and negative 2 point something, and I don't know exactly what it is. But I know it's a solution because it's on the line, right? Okay, so today we're going to be looking at kind of some special cases where I only have one of the letters, okay? And we're going to graph these the exact same way. But what if instead of 2x plus y equals 7, I just have 2x equals 7? Okay? Can I solve this for x?
Yeah, that's simple.
Do we know how to solve this for x? We just spent the last like 8 weeks of our life solving this for x. How do I solve this for x?
Divide by 2.
Divide both sides by 2. And then x equals 3.5. Okay? So, I'm going to make my little xy chart, and something's going to be interesting. So, if y is 1, what's x?
5.
3.5. Why would it be 5, Braddock?
Wow, I was looking at the other one.
Yeah, we're looking at this one. This one, I changed colors on purpose. So, if y is 1, x is 3.5. If y is 0, what's x?
0.
3.5.
Why would x be 0 if y was 3.5? So, Ronan, I'm going to take this equation and I'm going to substitute a y in everywhere I see y. And I'm going to find out what x equals. How many y's are there?
0 y's.
0. So where am I going to be substituting y's? Nowhere. So what does x equal if y is 0?
3.5.
3.5. What if y is 10? What does x equal?
3.5.
3.5. What if y is negative 23? What does x equal?
3.5.
3.5. You guys seeing the trend here?
If y was infinity, x would equal 3.5.
What if y is infinity minus 1? X is 3.5. No matter what, doesn't matter what y is because there isn't even a y there. Can we graph these?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just going to go over here to where x is 3.5. There's x is 3.5. And I'm just gonna draw me a line because it does not matter what the y's are. Doesn't even matter. We don't care what y is because we know that x is 3.5. Now these throw kids off a little bit because what kind of line is this?
It's a horizontal line.
It's a vertical line. Which axis is my vertical axis?
Why?
Y. So the y-axis is my vertical axis, but x equals whatever is a vertical line. Why is that? If y is a vertical axis and x equals whatever is a vertical line, what is going on? Mathematically, what's happening?
Math.
I want you guys to think about it. I don't want to just spit out crap answers. You guys, I want you to think about it. What do you think's happening?
Y can be anything, but X will be the same.
Y can be anything, but x will be the same. So as we go up and down, y can be whatever it wants and x will be stuck at 3.5. Can x be 4?
Yes.
No, not in this graph. Can x be -2?
No.
Yeah.
No, x is stuck at 3.5.
No, but on problem 4, x is -2.
Okay, so on problem 4, but this is not problem 4. This is that.
Mrs. Marlowe.
X is stuck at 3.5. So, what do you think? This is a what do you think one. We don't know yet. I haven't taught you, but I want you to think about it. If x equals 3.5 is a vertical line, what would, let's do this one in a different color. What would y equals -7 look like?
Just a
Casey, what do you
horizontal
think?
Wouldn't it just be a straight line going not diagonally, going
across.
yeah.
Horizontally is the word you're
Horizontally,
looking
I
for.
Yeah.
I couldn't find that word. Wouldn't it just be a line going horizontally from -7?
But it's y. Why would it be horizontal if it's y?
Because X could be anything.
X can be anything now, and y is stuck at -7. So we make our little chart here, x and y. If x, I'm gonna draw pops. I'm gonna draw names. Ethan, if x is 0, what's y? -7. Carson, if x is Carson, where Carson's right there. If x is 2, what's y? -7. Give me a number for x.
5.
Ronan, if x is 5, what's y?
-7.
-7. Okay.
Plus 0.
Plus 0. Sure. -0 times 1. Okay. So can we graph this? Do I have to even go through and graph all my little points?
No.
No, I
draw
know
one.
that no matter what, and I don't care what x is. I don't care. No matter what x is, y is -7. So it's always going to be a horizontal line. What about if I have y equals 5? What's that going to look like?
Just a
straight
straight line.
line.
Well, just a horizontal line across 5.
A horizontal line through y equals 5. What if x equals 15? What does that look like?
A
vertical
vertical line
line.
across x equals 15.
A vertical line through x equals 15. And that's today. That's all we're doing today. Okay? You guys good? Rupert? You just gave me a head shaky no. What's going on? I want you to try some of these. If you need to make your little chart, it's fine. If x is 5,000, what's y going to be, Rupert? -7. If x is -15, what's y going to be?
I don't know. -7.
-7.
I was just kidding.
If x equals -infinity plus infinity.
That would be 0. If
Yep.
x equals, we already did that one.
Yep.
Y is -7. I like these. I remember, I'm gonna turn this off. I remember learning these in 8th grade. And I remember being like,